Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static damage. Having these tools will make the process smoother and more efficient. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure there's no residual power left in the device. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. There are usually around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place for reassembly. Once all screws are removed, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seam between the bottom panel and the main body of the laptop. Carefully work your way around the edges to release the clips holding the panel in place. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. After successfully removing the bottom cover, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the hard drive, which is typically situated near the center. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust accumulation inside the laptop with compressed air. This simple step can help improve ventilation and the overall performance of your device. Now, to remove the hard drive, first, you need to disconnect it from the SATA connector. Gently pull the connection straight out, being careful not to use excessive force. Next, you'll find a metal bracket holding the hard drive in place. Remove the screws securing this bracket using your Phillips head screwdriver. Once the bracket is free, you can slide the hard drive out of its slot. If you're replacing the hard drive with a new one, make sure to align it correctly before securing it back in place with the bracket and screws. If you don't have the tools or prefer professional help, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process easier for you. After reinstalling the hard drive, reconnect the SATA cable firmly, ensuring it's secure. Replace the bottom cover by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until the clips click back into place. Don't forget to reinsert and tighten all screws to secure the panel. Before powering on your laptop, it's prudent to check for any loose screws or components. If everything looks good, turn the laptop back over, reconnect the power, and power it on. You should hear the familiar sounds of your device booting up. If you encounter any issues, we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can identify any potential problems without any commitment. Finally, remember that if you need assistance, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. With your hard drive successfully extracted or replaced, your Lenovo IdeaPad 110-15 IKB is ready for its next chapter, whether it's an upgrade or a fresh start with a new drive. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.